Hello friends, in this video we will learn only cube and cube roots of given number. Again it is related with your indices, so watch this video relation with indices formulas. So let us begin here. Cube of any number. As you know, cube of 2, when I said in the indices form we can write down 2 raised to 3, which can be written in the product form 2 into 2 into 2. When we multiply we get the value as 8. So what we can say, cube of 2 is 8. Similarly, if I take cube of minus 2, which can be written as minus 2 raised to 3, in the product form you can write down minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, which in term multiplied and get the value as minus 8. So you can say that cube of minus 2 is minus 8. As you know, when we multiply minus into minus it becomes plus, but plus into minus becomes again minus. Therefore the cube of negative numbers result will be also negative. Same way we can go for a fraction, minus 1.2 cube, which can be written in indices form minus 1.2 raised to 3 in the product form, and then we will get the value as minus 1.728. We have to multiply 1.2 into 1.2, and then whatever result you get in that you have to again multiply by 1.2. As you know, 3 times minus is getting multiplied, so the result of the product will be negative. Here let us take one more fraction here, the cube of 5 upon 3, which in indices form will be written as 5 upon 3 raised to 3. So we can write that in a product form, 5 upon 3 into 5 upon 3 into 5 upon 3, and the result will be 125 upon 27. So we can say cube of 5 upon 3 is equals to 125 upon 27. This is how we find out cube of any number. Means the number multiplied to itself 3 times, and whatever the result comes, as you have seen, they will have index as 3 only. Clear? So I hope you are correlating while watching this with the previous video, so that will help you to understand more clearly why it is called as cube. Yes, you can have 2 raised to 2 also, that will be called as square. Okay, so let us go further. Now we will see what is cube root of a number. Just opposite, that side it was cube and now it is cube root. Both we have done. If I have to find out cube root of 729, I will write that in a indices form as 729 raised to 1 upon 3. So the order is 3, radicand is 729 and power is 1. The same thing can be written in the root form. See here. Similarly, I can write that in proper way, that cube root of 729, because power is 1, so it will give you the same value. If the power would have been more than 1, then it could have differed. Clear? So let us write this in a multiple form. So we have written in the multiple form, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That you can find out by LCM method also and find out the factor and get the answer. Clear? So let us see about that. Here we are making the group of 3 because the order is 3. So 3 3's product we are putting under one group, other 3 products we are getting under one group, and from the 3 3's 1 3 will come out. Same way here it will give to you as 9. So what is the cube root of 729? Is 9. Let us see one more example. Find the cube root of 0.216. Same method we can write this in the root form, cube root of 0.216. The index form will be what? 0.216 raised to 1 upon 3. So now the same radicand is written in the form of fraction cube root of 216 upon 1000. Why? Because after 2 digits you have decimal points, which can further be simplified and written in the prime number form. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 upon 10 into 10 into 10. I have not taken denominator is as a prime number because you know that we have to find out cube root. So for our way we have written their factor. So as you know, we have to make a group of 3, see here, and then one number will come out from the root. So 2 into 3 upon 10, which will become here c, and here multiple in the numerator, and then denominator also from 3 1 comes. When I multiply, I get 6 upon 10 and the value becomes 0.6. So you can say that cube root of 0.216 is 0.6. I hope it is clear. You have understood the concept of cube and cube root. You can correlate this with the indices formula. I hope you have liked the video, and please share with your friends.